Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about my new Jackery portable power station. I recently purchased this power station for my schoolie. I have been using it for the past 2 weeks just to make sure that it is exactly the product that I thought it was, and it is. I love this little power station so much because it is literally so light. This is the mid-size model. It's not the 500. It has options to plug in, USB, the import for your charging, and it also comes with the vehicle electrical socket. The station itself is actually all self-contained, and you can charge it through the electrical outpost. You can also charge it through your vehicle as you drive, as well as purchasing its separate Jackery solar panel, which I do plan on getting now that I actually have tried the Jackery and it does meet all of my needs. So if you're looking for the ability to go out on your fishing trips, your hunting trips, and weekend getaways, this is perfect to charge all of your little electrical devices. It does hold enough power to charge my MacBook Pro about 3 times without having to recharge the power station. So this is perfect for me, great for a little, weekend getaway. Once I purchase the Jackery solar panel, this is gonna be amazing. This is a great product to have during SHTF, just to have backup power if you don't want to invest into a whole solar system. This is a great starter option if you just want something to have power here and there and want to have the ability to recharge your gadgets. This is definitely a great way to do it. You can even use it at construction sites, just for multiple different purposes. So I really love this power station and wanted to tell you guys about it. If you're interested in the Jackery power station, I provided a link below in the description for you to check that out on Amazon. If you love videos like this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more prepping videos and lots more of adventures. So I'll see you in the next one.